Welcome to Manila.
Thank you so much. Igalaw nila yung sa bata.
Hi.
Hindi po po sa bata. Yung igalaw nila. Kasi ganun nila. Ganun nila.
See you again.
Kapag yung mukha-abla.
Hi. Good morning. Gano'n. Oh, kayo ano sa akin. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh. Thank you. Oh. Okay na sila. Oy. Thank you. Oh, magaganda na ako kayo. Yes. Hello. Sige. Very happy to see you. Please, see, thank you. Thank you so much. Sorry for the dim light. We have to do it.
From the Apollo Hospital.
Wait, thank you.
For you. And this is my comments.
So you went all the way from India to
Yes,
visit
yes.
us? The dim light is trying to cut as many as we can, as much as possible. Really,
Yes, I think it's better.
because of the challenges in the
Middle
Middle East.
East. Even the India is also facing the same challenges right now with the liquid petrol gas. Many restaurants have stopped.
We just sent big batch to
Yes.
India last week
Yes.
to Apollo and your other institution,
Max.
Max Hospital.
Yes.
They went here a
Yes.
few days ago.
We saw your pictures on Facebook, and we would like to thank you for the thing you are doing for the babies. These are your babies and Philippines, and we are very happy that they are getting their treatment on time, and you can see the happy faces.
Thank you to Jesus.
Thanks.
And thanks to the taxpayers of the city of Manila.
That's good. But Jesus come with the face of someone in the life of these kids.
I'm just happy for them, especially the parents. Especially nowadays, our time. About, I think yesterday, I really feel sad. There are two twins going to be operated here in one private hospital.
Pwede kasi.
They're from
Saan ka?
Rizal. The challenge is that the base that is going to be utilized from the mother is good only for one. So, but I already said approve if you find somebody who's willing to
Yes.
don't worry about the money. Matter most is that at least I can walk around the city and raise our taxpayer. Thank you to Jesus. Tell them that they have saved lives.
That's true. And whenever they are coming to Apollo Hospital, they are just thankful to you. And they are saying that it is from the government of the Philippines who is supporting them. And it is from the mayor's side, they have come to Apollo Hospital.
Just a bridge from the taxpayer to the one who's seeking help. Tulay lang ako. That's why I always tell them when they get their checks, now it's time for you to pray because the rest is in the hands of the Lord.
That's true.
The doctors will do their part, government did their part, you as a parent did your part, and we do our best and we leave God the rest. And I'm happy that most kids survive
Yes.
new life.
So we just like to update you also. We have 200 transplant from Philippines and Philippines baby. And soon we are just arranging one get together with all these 200 families. And our success rate is near about 98.9%.
Wow!
Yes.
We'll send you more when they come here.
So Dr. Anupam Sibal is the one who comes first in 2017 and met the gastroenterologist here. The first baby was Jermaine, came in 2017.
My
She's
child,
the
my
mother
daughter,
of
is the first baby went to all of us.
Yes, and after that, the things started in 2017, and we are in the page of 200 transplant.
Even when I was vice mayor then,
Uh,
when I was vice mayor, I tried to pool some resources. Every other month. Yeah. 2000.
yes,
We've been doing this for quite some time.
very
This time, thanks to the people of Manila, making me a mayor, I have more resources while it is limited. But I have priorities. I prioritize government expenses programs focus on MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. That's how I go about it.
basic for these.
I'm just happy.
Just wanted to update you that liver, apart from liver transplant, we have one baby who came from the This is also funded by the mayor's fund. So that baby,
Bone transplant,
Bone
bone
marrow,
marrow.
one bone marrow, the
Yes.
mayo.
that's also done. And
Yes,
the baby is perfectly
discharged.
fine, discharged.
Wow.
And the baby had to be staying in India for another 2 months, and after that they can come.
I don't know if you're familiar, but a few days ago I read the news that China came up with a medicine for type 2 diabetes.
We came, it is still in the state yes.
I hope, because I have a lot of, regularly I have dialysis patients. I have, I think, we have the biggest already in terms of number of units next to the national government. Dialysis centers in Manila, run by the city government. And if there will be medicine, I will buy the medicine. So that they will stop doing dialysis. There will be a cure. I don't mind. If India will find a cure, I'll buy from you. I really don't mind spending millions just to survive a life.
Apart from this, just wanted to update you that we are coming to Philippines also on a regular basis, and we are in touch with St. Luke's Hospital and KTI Hospital also. We already gave them a so that we wanted to train your doctors also.
Oh, good.
Liver transplant here.
Try UPPJ. During my first term as mayor,
Yes.
I celebrated my birthday with fundraising. I raised about 32 million pesos and donated everything to PGH. And after 3 years, last November, they had successfully operated biliary atresia. One kid, maybe you can help them also. Show them.
Sure.
They have a very good facility. Now,
I think they can take an
they bought all the machines from the funds and let them operate. They operated one. I think he's 9 or 11 years old. And he survived. Successful. So now it's not impossible. The only thing that challenges the parents is the money.
Yes.
What matter most is that at 98%,
Yes.
They will serve.
They will have
that's a very good number.
yes.
So because transplant is a life-threatening procedure at that rate, really excited for the parents especially.
Our surgeon will be coming tomorrow just to meet the families. So we took all the families over India again just to save their money. We don't do what we do here, we don't do anything. We just meet the parents. Parents say we are fine, perfect. That's fine. So tomorrow he is coming. He will just see the family that everyone is doing good. He is meeting the 45 families tomorrow. So after that, we.
And then nga pala, I would like to thank you because there was an incident wherein you asked the parent to bring the child already despite in the absence of the payment because
Maybe,
the city government of Manila said yes already. So you have the trust on us. No?
It's baby Aliyah.
Baby Aliyah May.
Wala pang bayad, pinabiyahin nila. Parang
The
The
other.
patient came in an emergency. The doctor took the patient straight away to see him. He saw there is a clot. He said, I'm taking him directly to the operation earlier. He did not wait for a single minute to check whether the money is there or not. After the operation, he called me whether the finance is cleared. I said, no, finance was not clear. He said, it's okay. I don't take my fees. But the baby is sick. And we were very happy. As an Apollo hospitals, we thought that the baby saved first. For us, the life matters first.
that's what I believe also. Life.
This is the
life.
reason,
Life.
yes.
Because as long as we said yes, guarantee we pay. The good thing about this is that while there are rules, we continue to follow the rules wherein we issue a check to an institution.
We received the amount also later on, we received
For purposes of transparency. Whatever monies that they have raised, they can keep it. And, after the surgery, they can use it.
And this was my next question, because I was thinking that if there is some money left, can we use it for the next patient also? Because we wanted to become transparent. And in one circumstance, we have some money left so we wanted to use it. So that's why I told Jonathan to take a permission first from the mayor's office. Once we will get the permission, we will use it for the second baby.
As long as the baby is alive.
We will just update along the way.
Oo.
I give
Ako, medyo mating na dalawa ka. Yung isa nga may laglag, isa lang nakadala. Huwag na kayo.
For transplant.
Ganyan.
August 2025, the first day, she was at the Apollo hospital, she met all the patients. That time we had 11 patients, so she met all the patients. And now also we have submitted the letter to first baby's office that we wanted to come and celebrate whenever she has a time. I will just share the mayor's office. And I will invite you for tomorrow's event. If you have time, you can come just for 10 or 15 minutes. You see 45 patients, 15 are post-liver transplant and 30 are pre-liver transplant. They are just coming to see the doctor. So if you have time, the program will start at 11 o'clock. Our doctor will also be there. If you have time, if you can be there just 15 or 20 minutes for argument. Yes, sir. And the details, the secretary will share with the secretary.
Halika, picture tayo.
Yes.
Let's have a picture. Halika kayo. Alright, kaya. Hindi nga yan eh. Ano na, magana na.
The long-standing relationship.
Sometimes when I go to provinces,
12
I
years
see
old.
them like 15 years old already, 16 years old already. Yung ibang mga ano,
I'm also working from last 10 years.
thank you. Yeah. So thank you.
20 patients na mayor will helping sa
Talaga?
and kapatid na transplant, tatlo yung liver transplant, isang po na PLT at amin. Nandun pa sila state for the schedule.
Talaga. Sa Maxine, ano eh. Ano sila eh, halid nilan silang dalawa eh. Maxine ang ulo. Good. Oh. Pare. Oh.
yeah.
Okay. Oh. Hmm. Okay. Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Kami. Ay, tigil. Ingat kayo. Thank you, baby.
Anak ko, dinner po kasi.
I hope so.
Sabihin ko lang kayo.
Thank you.